Alright, welcome back from the little break. So we continue from where we stopped. We stopped here. We said whenever you are given any two numbers, any three numbers, A, B, and C, and then you have that A is less than B, and also that that implies that A plus C must be less than what B plus C. We have shown that, and that was in the previous class I held. So now let's say that say given this, let's now put another condition. C, say, and A is greater than 0, B is greater than 0, and C is greater than what? 0. Now this is the condition I put next. Now what happens here? I'll now say, now A plus B, okay, A plus C, which is less than B plus C, must be greater than what? 0. A plus C, which is less than B plus C, must be greater than 0. That is 1. I say 1. Now, next one says A plus C must be greater than what? 0. Next one says A plus B must be greater than what? 0. Now, next one says A multiplied by B must be greater than 0, and A multiplied by C must be greater than what? 0. Now the reason is because A here is greater than 0 already, and B here is greater than 0. And whatever is greater than 0, whenever you add anything to it, it must be greater than 0. Let's use numerical values. A is what? 4. So now say, now this is going to be equal to 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 is less than what? 10 is less than 11. 10 is less than what? 11. And these two numbers here is also greater than what? 0. Even if you subtract 10 from 11, we're going to get what? 1, and 1 is greater than 0. So now here is what? 4 plus 6 to give us what? 10, which is greater than what? 0. Here is what? 4 plus 5 equals to 9, which is greater than 0. Here is 4 times 6 will be equals to 24, which is greater than 0. And here is, 4 times 5 equals to 20. Here is 4 times 6 equals to 24, which is greater than 0. So what do I mean now? For any given two numbers, which is greater than 0, their sum and their product must be greater than 0. So now, having done this, let us try division and subtraction. So since for any two given numbers, let's check if this one holds. Let's check if A minus B, let's check if it is going to be greater than 0. Let's check B minus A, let's check if it's going to be greater than 0. Now let's talk about A minus C, let's check if it's going to be greater than 0. Now C minus A, let's check if it is going to be greater than 0. So here A is what? 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1, which is less than 0. It's wrong. So now let's check this one. This one says B minus A. Here is B is 5. 5 minus 4 equal to 1. It's greater than 0. This one is correct. And here we talk about A minus C, which is 4 minus 6 to give us minus 2, which is less than 0. Here is 6 minus 4 to give us 2, which is greater than 0. So you see now, but even here is going to be is plus A plus B greater than 0. Let's check B plus A greater than 0. Here A plus C greater than 0. Let's check C plus A greater than 0. Our A is what? Our A is 4 plus 5 is equal to what? 9, which is greater than what? 0. Here is what? 5 plus 4 equal to 9, which is greater than 0. Here is 4 plus 6 equals to 10, which is greater than 0. Here is 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10, which is greater than what? 0. sorry, C. In addition, no matter which form it takes, it must be greater than 0. So now, in division and in subtraction, the reason is because division and subtraction is not commutative. They are not also associative. They are not all distributive. They have what we call left-hand distributive and right-hand distributive. So all these, they are not what distributive. They are not commutative. They are not also associative. But division is some kind of right-hand distributive. So that is it. So for any given numbers, this holds. So now, in our next class, I'm going to solve some small example. Please do make sure you watch the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.